Welcome. I am Anonymous. Memory Forensics Vol.1 begins now. 31 volumes. 1 book. The art of extracting what attackers believed was gone forever. Memory forensics is the science of extracting digital artifacts from RAM. When programs run, they leave traces in volatile memory. Passwords, encryption keys, network connections, injected shellcode. Every one is visible in a live memory dump. RAM does not lie. Attackers delete files. They clear event logs. They wipe disk sectors. But they cannot hide from memory. Whatever is running on a compromised machine is fully exposed in RAM. Memory is the analyst's ground truth. The book we follow is The Art of Memory Forensics. Michael Lai, Andrew Case, Jamie Levy, Aaron Walters. 912 pages. The definitive reference for Windows, Linux, and Mac memory analysis. Real malware case studies throughout. Our weapon is Volatility 3. Open source Python framework. One command lists every running process. Another exposes injected shellcode. Another dumps password hashes. The output you see on screen is what a real forensic analysis produces. Lab setup. You need Python 3, Volatility 3 from GitHub, and WinPmem for acquisition. The architecture is simple. Target machine runs WinPmem. WinPmem writes a raw dump to disk. Volatility reads it. You find the evidence. Your first acquisition in 3 steps. Step 1, run WinPmem as administrator to capture all of RAM. Step 2, run windows.info to identify the exact OS version. Step 3, run windows.ps list to enumerate every process. You are now doing memory forensics. The roadmap. 31 volumes. Volumes 1 through 18 cover Windows, the deepest treatment of any operating system. Volumes 19 through 27 cover Linux. Volumes 28 through 31 cover Mac OS X. Every chapter. Every day. 4 takeaways. Memory forensics reveals what disk analysis cannot. RAM holds the ground truth of any running system. Volatility 3 is the primary weapon. Tomorrow is Vol.2 Systems Overview. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Do not miss a chapter.